Hi there, you're watching the Gardens and Graveyards channel. Today we're down in the lower garden and we're going to build our gazebo. It is sunny and windy, so we're not going to film the step-by-step of doing it because we can't get the camera right. The dappled shade is just making it really weird, as you can see on our face. And it's windy, so our boom stands keep falling no matter which way we put the sand because the wind is sort of like swirling. Anyway, we'll show you what the components are and of course how it looks afterwards. That's about as good as we're gonna get for this video. All right, so we have all of the components out on this table here. And basically, it's gonna look like this bird cage gazebo. And we've got side panels, more side panels. This is the arch. And it's all going together with 28 screws and 12 of these kind of screws with the Allen wrench screw thingies. So we've got screwdrivers and an Allen wrench, and the whole thing's gonna go together like that. Pretty simple and should go pretty easy. So yeah, we're gonna get started and I'll let you know how long it takes us. Getting there. All right, we have it all built and it looks absolutely beautiful, but we will come back down here tonight when the sun has gone down to show you what it looks like. Of course, the sun doesn't go down till close to 10 o'clock these days, so we weren't gonna build it that late. But we can come down here and show you what it looks like without the sun shining on it, because you just can't see what we're seeing.
Yay!
Need a big skirt. Now we've just got small pavers anchoring down. It has like this extra bar right here, and it does have holes in here that we're going to drill through the cement pavers at a later date, probably tomorrow, the next day. But we've just got pavers in a couple of corners just to anchor it down for now. All right, well, that is it for the gazebo build. We are going to anchor them in with some cement screws. We will bring you along that journey with us because we've never done it before and it'll be an adventure for us as well. But I'll show you in another video how we do that and why. Obviously, we have some high winds and we want to make sure that it doesn't go flipping off somewhere. And I don't really love the idea of having like sandbags around them all the time. But yeah, so we're just gonna anchor them in a different way. So we'll show you that probably next week. Until then, keep celebrating your life and have a great day. We will see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, now that the sun's gone down, you can see the gazebo better. It's so pretty. I'm so excited. Let's walk past it and to the mermaid garden, and don't mind my hose. All right, turn around. There she is. Ah, yes. So we're gonna have roses placed over here on the corners so they can climb up. It's gonna be amazing. So happy. It's such a substantial anchor in the garden. I love it. It's perfect. And I love that it's subtle. Even though it's large and it gives great structure, it's also sort of, I don't know, feminine. It's like soft, I guess. So you can look right through it if you want, but it's also there with a lot of presence. So it doesn't take away from the natural wild beauty of the garden, but it adds to it, adds an element to the garden, which I absolutely love. So there it is, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.